Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 12th topic from our EVS subject. The name of this topic is Seasons and Clothing. So in this topic we are going to discuss about the various seasons that we experience in our country. Also we are going to learn about the types of clothes or other accessories that we use during these seasons. So let's begin with the lesson. So the first point for discussion is weather. So the definition for weather is the state of the air or atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere means the air around us. So the state of the air at a particular place and time is called as weather. So students, the atmosphere around us, that is the air around us, is not the same every time. Sometimes it is very cool. Sometimes we feel hot air. So this change in the atmosphere or this change in the air is not constant. It is changing. For some days we have cool atmosphere. For some days we have hot atmosphere. Right? So there is always a change in the atmosphere. So this change we can't say, but the hotness of the day or the hotness of the air or the coldness of the air, this is called as the weather. So weather is the state of the air or the atmosphere at a particular time and at a particular place. That is called as the weather. Suppose we say today it was a cool day. So when I am saying that it was a cool day, I am speaking about the weather of today. And when I am saying today there is too much of heat, we experienced too much of heat. Today the day was very hot, or today the day was very cold. This shows that I am speaking about the weather of today. Okay, so this was about the weather. And now we are going to discuss about the seasons. So in our country, India, we experience three main seasons. Now what are these seasons? So when the weather remains the same for a month or two, it is called as the season. Suppose today it was a hot day and this hotness of the day remained constant. Tomorrow also it will be a hot day, day after tomorrow, for a week, for a fortnight, for 3 weeks, for 4 weeks, for 5 weeks, the temperature of the air remains hot. It remains the same. So that will make a season. So what is it? When a particular type of weather remains same for a month or two, it is called as the season. And as I told you, in India we experience three main seasons. That is summer season, rainy season and winter season. Also, so we have three main seasons and two other seasons, that is autumn and spring. Now let us discuss about the first main season, that is summer season. So we experience summer during the April, May and June. These 3 months we experience summer season. And what happens during the summer season? Too much of hotness is there in the atmosphere. The weather is very hot. We feel the heat of the sun. This happens because the direct rays of the sun fall on earth, or we can say during this period our country is very much in front of the sun, and so we experience summer season during these 3 months, that is April, May and June. Also, now it is too much of hot. So what do the people do? They find out some measures so that the heat or the hotness of this day is bearable to them. So what do the people do? They prefer to wear white colored cotton clothes, because cotton, it does not allow the heat to remain in our body, but the hotness of the body is removed away, is thrown out with the help of this white colored and cotton. Especially cotton clothes are used during the summer season. Also people make use of fans, then coolers and air conditioners, because these equipments, these electronic machines, they help us to give some coolness during this strong heat, and so people make use of these things. Also students, during summer season our body sweats a lot because of the heat, external heat. What happens? Our body starts sweating. It starts throwing the water out in the form of sweat, and that is why it is really very necessary that we consume or we drink plenty of water during the summer season. Some of the people, they are very much interested or they like to have cold drinks and ice creams during summer season. It is good because these products are having coolness, but having them on a large quantity is bad for our health. So during the summer season, avoid eating lot of ice creams and drinking lot of cold drinks. Okay, so this was about the summer season. One more point I would like to include into it, that during the summer season people, they go for trips or they go for vacations to places where the atmosphere is cool, because the atmosphere in our city, suppose now we are living in Kolhapur. So what happens during the summer season, the temperature of in our atmosphere, it increases, so we start feeling very much heat here. So what do the people do? They move on to places where the temperature is low. For example, hill stations like Mahabaleshwar. So the temperature there is low as compared to the temperature in our city, and so what do people do? People, they prefer to go for trips and vacations during summer season, and they move on to such places where the temperature is low, so that they will not have to bear this extreme heat. So they move on for vacations and trips. So students, this was about the summer season. Now the next season, that is the rainy season. So what is the rainy season? During rainy season we have lot of rains, right? So in our previous lessons we have already discussed about the water cycle. So we know how rainfall occurs. What happens during the summer season? Because of the extreme heat, the water in the seas or in rivers, lakes, what happens to them? It gets heated and it gets converted into steam or water vapor and moves up into the sky. In the sky, all the water droplets, all this water vapor, they come together and they form clouds, right? And when these clouds becomes too heavy, they come down in the form of rain, right? So rainfall is found during the rainy season. Sometimes it rains less, sometimes we have heavy rainfalls. Also during the rainy season we have thunder, we have lightning, right? In Marathi, lightning means veez and thunder means kadkadat. So during the rainy season we can experience lightning as well as thunderstorms. Strong winds blow, right? Before the coming of the rain, what happens? Strong winds start blowing, we see lightning, then we have thunder, and after completion of this we have the rainfall. So rainfall, it is a main source of water on our earth. And who is awaiting? Do you know, some person, some people on this earth, they are eagerly waiting for the rainy season. Yes, our farmers, they are eagerly waiting for the rainy season, because this rainy season brings water for their crops. For the cultivation of the crops, for the growth of the crops, water is very, very important. And most of the agriculture in our country is depending on the rainwater, and that is why the farmers, they are eagerly waiting for the rainy season. Yes, so also sometimes during this rainy season we can see rainbows, right? And observing a rainbow is a really beautiful sight. Yes, many of you or all of you might be experiencing, you all might be liking to see the rainbow that occurs during the rainy season. The third season is the winter season. So what happens in the winter season? The winter season, we have winter season from December to February. That is the month of December, January and February we have winter season. And what is the speciality? During winter, what happens? The cold winds blow. The atmosphere or the weather, we can say, is very, very cold. So what we do? During the winter season, we wear warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, we use shawls, then we use mufflers to cover our ears, right? So the atmosphere, that weather is very, very cold, and so during the winter season people use warm clothes, and we experience this winter season during the months of December, January and February. Also during, since the temperature or the atmosphere is very much cool, people during this season they prefer to have some hot drinks like tea, coffee, hot milk. Then also they prefer to eat hot meals, right? Because the temperature is in the surrounding, in the atmosphere, it is very much cold, and people, so they prefer to have all the things that they eat, they prefer that it should be warm, it should be hot. So also some people they make use of heaters, and some people they light small fires, campfires, like shekoti we call it in Marathi. So people they want to make themselves warm, they want to bring warmth to their body, and so they make use of heaters. Also some peoples, they, what do? They light small fires and they make themselves warm with the help of this small fire. And one more thing which I forgot to tell you in the rainy season is, during the rainy season people use umbrellas, they use raincoats, they make use of gumboots to protect themselves from the rain. Okay, the next, so this was about the three main seasons. Now let us see about the autumn and spring. So these autumn and spring are not the main seasons, but they are important, the other seasons along with these three main seasons. So in the months of October and November, that is just after the rainy season we experience during July, August and September. And just next to the rainy season, that is in the months of October and November, we feel neither too hot or not too cold. So the atmospheric temperature is in a regular pattern. So during this months, that is October and November, we have the autumn season. What happens during this season, the autumn season, the trees they shed their leaves. So the trees they have leaves on them, and during these 2 months, that is October and November, the leaves on the trees they dry and they fall down. That is called as shedding of leaves. Okay, and just after the winter season, that is December, January, February, we have winter season, and next to winter season, that is the 2 months March and April, we have the spring season. And during this spring season we neither feel too cold nor too hot. The temperature at that time also it is just regular or normal. And during the spring season, these 2 months, that is March and April, we have spring season. And during these two seasons, what happens? New leaves come on the trees. Also various types of flowers start blooming on the trees and plants. So new leaves and new flowers bloom on the trees during the spring season. So students, the first I told you was summer season. Summer season we experience in April, May and June. Next to summer season, that is July, August and September, for 3 months we have rainy season. Just after the rainy season, that is October and November, we have autumn season, right, for 2 months only. Then after the autumn season, that is December, January, February, these 3 months we experience winter season. Lot of cold is there in this season. And next to winter season, that is March and April, right? March and April, what do we have? We have spring season. Okay, and also April, May and June, we have the summer season, a lot of heat. So spring and summer, they are having a combination, because spring season, as I told you, March and April, both these months are included in spring season. Also April, May and June, we experience the hotness of the sun, that is the summer season is there in our country. So students, this was about the seasons and clothing. I hope you have understood about all these 3 main seasons and 2 other seasons, that is autumn and spring.